Hello and welcome to the PolyKit channel. Lately I got hold of a Yamaha Leslie speaker. A Leslie speaker is adding a tremolo or chorus effect to an audio signal by sending the sound of a speaker to different directions and make use of the Doppler effect. This is either achieved by rotating the speaker itself or reflecting the sound by a rotating shield. In this video I'm going to look into controlling this unit and how to add voltage control to the motor speed and make it usable for my modular synthesizer. Leslie speakers were usually part of analog organs to add some controllable effect to the sound. This unit was part of a Yamaha Electone C55N organ and was built in the late 70s. Luckily, I could find the complete schematics and also the part that is controlling the Leslie speaker on the internet. The controller for the motor is still part of my speaker. I only need to add some switches, a pot and a resistor to control the unit. User PW Martin on YouTube pointed out that it would be nice to have voltage controllable motor speed. I think this is a great idea, and this way I can integrate the speaker into my DIY modular setup. I'm going to add a vectoral in parallel to the speed control pot. A vectoral is a LED which is changing the resistance of a photoresistor, all combined in one package. This way the overall resistance of the pot is changing by sending a voltage to the LED of the vectoral. In general, a vectoral is an easy way to add current control to an existing device through changing voltages. I'm using a 230 volt to 110 volt AC converter because the motor needs 100 volt AC as outlined in the schematics. Be careful when working with high AC voltages, this can be lethal. I'm going to put everything in a case that I can attach to the speaker later on. Alright, let's get started. Cool, it's working. I'm using a LFO from my modular to control the motor speed of the Leslie speaker. The only downside is that too fast changing voltages are not really making an audible difference, because the motor is reacting too lazy on those changes. Alright, that's it for today. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you next time and bye for now.